How's Ipsy starting off January? Let's look inside and find out. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Bandit's down here, but you're probably not going to see him. One, he's super guilty because he's been eating Dexter's food all night. He keeps sneaking in there, so now he's like super guilty and hiding. But also I changed my location. I'm not on the couch. I'm across the room because I was thinking maybe something a little bit cleaner in the background might be a little nice. But you guys let me know if you prefer my regular location, this one, or you don't really care. All right, well, if you're new, welcome though. Thanks so much for checking us out. We do all kinds of unboxings, unbaggings, get ready with me's, collabs, giveaways, all kinds of stuff like that. So if you're into that kind of thing, please consider hitting that subscribe button. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. Now, this is the newly titled Ipsy Extra. So let's look inside and see what January and our new Ipsy Extra brings us. I will tell you one change that I did not care for, and I don't know if this was just this month, but they didn't allow me to choose my Boost product. So typically with the Extra, you're going to get 5 products, and you get to choose 3 of them. They choose 2. And then if you boost your box for $15, they also let you choose that. But I wasn't able to do that. So I'm not sure if that was just a one-time thing. I'm hoping it's not. We'll find out in a couple of weeks. Okay, so a year of yeses is their theme. There is a little sneak peek on the back for next month. There is a Benefit Cosmetics Liquid Lip and Cheek Blush Stain. All right there. There is an Elemis Papaya Peel. I've had this before. I've gotten it in FabFitFun and really liked it. It's hot down here. And then there's by House Laboratories, the Color Fuse Glossy Blush Stick. All right, like that. Then I'm going to put my glasses on so I'm not struggling. But for the Ipsy Ultimate Spring Collection, it looks like there is a NARS Quad Palette, a Tatcha Lip Balm with gold infused in it, a Grown Alchemist product, Charlotte Tilbury, and I believe this is a 2 set. You'll get 2 in this from what I recall from the spoilers. And it's, I think, the blush and the highlighter wands, the little dabbers. Living Proof, their Perfect Hair Day Heat Styling Spray, which I've used before and really liked. So you'll get 8 products. If you are currently getting their Extra, you can upgrade to their Ultimate and maybe see some of these products. Okay, there is your sneak peek. Let's get inside. Let's start with what they chose for me. By Delish is a lip balm. That's just all it says. Like, there's no fancy name, just lip balm in the shade Colleen, which is a sheer fuchsia pink. This is clean, cruelty-free, and vegan. It says it's going to glide on and help soften up those rough patches that winter gives us. And it's going to smooth fine lip lines, and it's going to keep moisture locked inside. Here is what our product looks like. So in this, you're going to get all full size in their Extra, no deluxe samples. Although I will say sometimes with the scent, you get travel size. All right, and there is how that looks. And I definitely see this as a go-to item for me because I love this kind of stuff, the kind of sheer balm stuff, particularly for work. Although honestly, if you've seen most of my videos, I don't do a lot of lip color. I don't feel natural or comfortable with that. And then next by TYS Beauty is the Dew Stick in Honeydew. So this is going to be a highlighter stick. It's a $24 value. This brand is clean, cruelty-free, and vegan. It has hyaluronic acid, peptides, and a green tea extract. And it's going to hydrate, brighten, and soothe, all while giving you a nice little glow. All right, so very, very pretty. love that. Let's check it out. Very nice. So my first choice item was a palette. It was the Galactic Essential Eyeshadow Palette Volume 2. Now I know I've gotten one of these before. It might have been Volume 1 because this looked far more colorful than the one that I had received in the past. Sometimes even if I don't like the palette, I'll pick a palette just because it lets them know, like, yes, I want to get palettes, because they will look at what you've picked in the past. Next, by Byro New York, we have the Sugar Plum Shimmer Lip Oil. This is a $26 value. It's listed as Clean Beauty. And I just thought that was so pretty. I was super excited to be able to choose. It's a $26 value. Did I tell you that? It has upcycled sugar plum and nourishing plum seed oil. Now, it doesn't say this on Ipsy, but it does show on the back of the box that this is a cruelty-free brand. And then my last choice item is by Everdeen, and it is their Hair and Body Fragrance Mist in Darling. And I love a fragrance mist. This is a $23 value. It's cruelty-free and vegan. Super cute. Oh, I really like that. And it has notes of rose, fresh strawberry, and vanilla. So yeah, I can definitely smell that. It's nice. It's fruit forward. It's not super sweet and sickly sweet. That vanilla kind of cuts down on a little bit, but love this. I do have 3 add-ons. The first is by Ilia, and this is the Multi-Stick in All of Me. It's a watermelon pink, and I have fallen in love with this brand after getting a couple of their complexion sticks. Nice and light. Now this is a $36 value, which I added on for $12. It did win the Reader's Choice Award in 2021 from Allure magazine. In 2024, it won the Best Blendable Blush from Oprah magazine, as well as the Best Clean Blush from Allure's Reader Choice Award, both in 2024. This has sunflower seed oil, castor seed oil, cocoa seed butter, sesame seed oil, shea butter, orange peel wax, and it is certified gluten-free. Next, from Natasha Denona, and I don't know if I got this last time around. I just saw it and I was like, ooh, I really want to try that. I think I might have it, so I'm not going to swatch this one. This is the High Glam Powder Foundation, and this is in the Rosy Neutral. I might have gotten a different shade before. Ooh. Okay, so here that is, and then there's a little powder puff to put it on. This is a $55 value. I believe I added it on for $12 or $18, I'm not sure. And then my last add-on was by Natasha Denona, and it's the Hyper Natural Face Palette. It's a $62 value. It has a blendable blush duo, as well as a bronze and contour trio. And then it also has some eyeshadow in there, so excited about that. And again, I think I might have paid $18 for this, maybe $25. I don't feel like I paid that. I never make note, but it was definitely more than 50% off. So super lovely. Love, love, love those shadows. Look at how gorgeous those are. All right, so there it is swatched. And absolutely lovely. All right, so I don't know what the choices were for Booster Box because again, they didn't give me choice. They just said, here's what we're sending you. And this is the Dermalectives Deep Cleansing Tool. It's a $140 value, so I'm not mad about that. But like, I didn't even have any information about what this is, what it does. So let's look. It says it is an ultra soft oscillating cleaner or cleansing companion that's going to help transform your daily wash into a mini spa moment. It's going to lift away dirt and makeup while giving your skin a gentle massage. Now it looks to have several different speeds. It's got a strong mode, which is a high contrast, powerful pulsating vibration for oily or congested skin and deep cleansing. The normal mode, which is medium to firm and balanced cleansing vibration, ideal for everyday use, promoting oxygenation and lymphatic flow and skin balance. A soft mode to gently cleanse for sensitive skin and reactive skin types. A comfort mode, which is longer comfort pulsating waves for soothing massage and deep tissue microcirculation. It's also going to help detox and provide lymphatic drainage. And then an eye protector mode, which is a specialized feature designed to soothe and refresh the delicate area around the eyes using a low frequency vibration to relieve puffiness. Okay. Oh, and it's even got a little heat on that. All right, so I'm a little more excited about that, reading, like, having that information, because again, it was just like, here's what we're giving you, no information, just, and usually when you choose, you get to look at that information and decide, although they didn't really give much information on here, and why look it up? It's what I'm getting, so you get what you get, and you don't get upset, I guess. And, you know, $15 and $140 value, certainly not upset with that at all. So I think that's a win. But what do you guys think? So for the 6 items, not my add-ons, but for the 6 items, and I'll go over them again real quick, because we're going to include the boost, but not my add-ons. We have the lip balm. We have the highlight, the palette, the super gloss, the perfume mist for hair and body. Can't really see everything now. Put it like that so you can see everything. And then the cleansing tool. So 6 items, 0 out of 6. What do you think? What would you rate this? 0, I would like none of those. 1, I like one of those items. 6, love it, great job. Let me know your thoughts though. Would you be happy to receive this? I say for the purchase price, I did definitely get my money back. The Galactic palette, I'm not really excited about. It's pretty, but I have so many palettes. But again, I chose it because I want them to know I want palettes, and there wasn't anything else in there that was screaming out to me, pick me, pick me. Whereas this definitely screamed out, this Biro. I love this brand, definitely screamed out, pick me. So, and the fragrance mist too, that also was a definite scream out for me. But let me know your thoughts below, and please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.